lalagyan natin sa internet, YouTube natin yan. Kung paano magluto.
Boy Tad-Tad.
Ay, nawala ako ganito to. Bakit ganun? Lumulubog. This is how you open the century tuna pan. Lumubog po ang lalagyan.
Presentation to kasama sa presentation sa Friday. Bakit ang ganda-ganda ng presentation? Dahil po, nagluto kami ng century tuna at...
Ayan yung mukha.
Video pala.
Gourmet, bangus. Spanish style. wala nang oil. Uinit ko lang talaga to ah.
I'll go.
Spanish style, so dapat Spanish ang kinakanta natin.
Okay. What Spanish song do you know?
Ano po ito ni Martin? Ano ba? Ricky Martin.
Ricky Martin, Living La Vida Loca.
Yeah, this is the Filipino version of Living La Vida Loca.
Okay, what's the Filipino version? I'm ready. I'm so ready.
Wala niyo ako dito pala ito eh. Iba na lang.
How about Menudo?
Night ba yan? Night, just like night.
Hindi siya Menudo. Are you going Menudo?
Ano ba kanta ng Menudo?
Yung gotta catch a plane at 7:30.
Wala pala.
At saka yung got explosion.
Yung nan. O yan po ang finished product. Hindi ko finished.
Finish. It hasn't.
Well, yes. But to boil mine.
Mas mababa yung
Do you know that it's at the boiling point? Can you get the thermometer?
No, I think you just dip your finger.
This is sizzling. Sizzling bangus. How do we know it's sizzling? Let me touch it. Napaso ako, walang yan.
Oh my gosh, let me see that injury.
Yeah.
Okay.
Documents. Proper
Oh my
documents.
god.
It's like, reddish. Erythematous.
Primary burn. First degree burn.
Degree ako.
First degree ka, te. It's cooking.
It's cooking with doc. /doc. So what do we do? During the first
First aid, you just put toothpaste.
Please, emergency. Alam niyo. Doc. This is cooking with doc.
Oh, you can put me, lip gloss.
Here we go again. We're going to the lip gloss. The menthol flavor.
It's
healing.
It's healing effect.
Yes.
Okay, I think it's cooked now. Do you think it's cooked?
Baliktarin natin.
Okay. Hindi naman pirito yan, te.
Baliktarin natin para malabi ko. Cooking with doc. So, ang kasama dyan, how do you see first degree burn?
Okay.
Sabi ni Adi, bibigyan daw ng lip gloss. Menthol flavor. See? Kamusta naman ang ating standard?
Okay, very good at ating standard. Standard pa rin siya.
Yes. Baka may mag-donate sa atin ng
Pag nakita yan, Ito pa YouTube ko to.
YouTube mo, cooking with dog. Sabi wag ako.
O, yun lumabas ang ating chef.
Chef! Gumilimang ko ang chef.
Kumusta ka naman dyan, chef?
Chef, kumusta ang ulam?
Delicious. Ayan na lang, natira sa linuto ng chef natin.
Promote mo ng
Silver Clan, members, Silver Clan. For all yun.
Ayos naman yung rice, O, kumusta ang, subject sa experiment? Buhay pa?
Sa control.
Sa control. intervention natin.
This is a double
Double blind.
double blood. Bigit po yun siya. Nagluluto siya.
Kaya pula pa.